Welcome to today's video. Spring is here, and that means one thing. It's time to bring your garden to life. Not sure what to plant, how to start, or what to watch out for? You're in the right place. We've prepared a complete guide to spring gardening, full of tips, tricks, and fascinating insights. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more inspiring gardening content. Let's get started. 1. Why is spring the perfect time for gardening? Spring is the season when nature awakens. Days get longer, temperatures rise, and the soil is moist from winter rains, creating ideal conditions for plant growth. Plus, spring gardening is a fantastic way to boost your mood, spend time outdoors, and add color to your surroundings. 2. What to plant in spring? A quick overview. Spring is perfect for planting a wide variety of plants. Let's explore some of the best options. Vegetables. 1. Radishes. Quick growers ready to harvest in just 3-4 weeks. 2. Lettuce. Varieties like romaine, iceberg, and arugula are easy and fast to grow. 3. Carrots. Thrive in the cooler weather of spring. 4. Onions and garlic. If you didn't plant them in the fall, now's the time. 5. Spinach, packed with vitamins and grows rapidly. Herbs. 1. Parsley. A versatile herb that's a must-have in any kitchen. 2. Chives. Great for soups and salads, and they add a decorative touch to your garden. 3. Mint. Grows quickly and helps deter pests. 4. Dill. Perfect for pickling or adding to fresh dishes. Flowers. 1. Tulips and daffodils. If planted in the fall, they'll now bloom and brighten your garden. 2. Marigolds. Repel pests and add vibrant colors to your flower beds. 3. Daisies. Low-maintenance flowers that bring charm to any space. 4. Pansies. Hardy spring flowers known for their vibrant hues. 3. How to prepare your soil for spring planting. Good soil preparation is the foundation of a successful garden. Here's how to get started. 1. Remove weeds. Pull out weeds by the roots to prevent them from stealing nutrients. 2. Loosen the soil. Aerating the soil improves water and air circulation for healthier roots. 3. Add nutrients. Use compost or natural fertilizers to enrich the soil. 4. Plan your garden beds. Map out where to plant each crop to ensure they have enough space and sunlight. 4. Tips for successful spring gardening. Watering. Spring weather can be unpredictable. 1. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering, as it can damage the roots. 2. Protect from frost. Spring nights can still be chilly. 2. Use frost covers or fabric to shield your plants. 3. Crop rotation. Don't plant the same vegetables in the same spot as last year. This prevents diseases and pests. 4. Attract beneficial insects. Plant flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies to help your garden thrive. 5. Beginner-friendly tips. 1. Start small. If you're new to gardening, try easy crops like radishes, lettuce, or herbs. 2. Invest in quality seeds. High-quality seeds lead to healthier plants and better yields. 3. Be patient. Gardening is a learning process. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. 6. What to grow in pots and containers, no garden. No problem. Many plants can thrive in pots or on balconies. 1. Herbs, mint, basil, oregano, and thyme. 2. Vegetables. Compact varieties of tomatoes, peppers, or chili. 3. Flowers. Daisies, pansies, and marigolds can brighten up any space. 7. Goals for your spring garden. Spring gardening isn't just about hard work, it's about joy and relaxation. Whether you want to grow your own food, beautify your space, or simply enjoy the outdoors, spring is the perfect time to start. Conclusion. What will you plant this spring? So do you have a plan for your spring garden? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who are ready to start gardening. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.